You hear about mewing. You see all the amazing before and after images, and while the concept sounds kinda weird, you try to do it anyways. At first, you find that you can only hold the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, but after a few weeks of doing it on and off, and many days of completely forgetting about it, you become slightly stronger, and you see a tiny bit of progress. If you clicked on this video, it means you don't mew as regularly as you would like to, and you often find yourself with your tongue on the bottom of your mouth, or even worse, mouth breathing. Right now, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to never forget to mew ever again. The reason why you keep forgetting to mew is because you are being stimulated every second of the day, whether you watch YouTube videos just like this one, movies, or you listen to music. Because of this, you suppress all of your thoughts while engaging in mind-numbing quick dopamine. No wonder you forget about mewing. You don't even think about anything at all. Chances are, if you go to the settings app right now and you check the screen time on your phone, you will see that you spend over 6 hours a day mindlessly scrolling and switching between apps. If you are on your phone all day, you might as well find a way to leverage it, and that's what I'm gonna show you with this first tactic. Here's the thing though, what I'm about to tell you is gonna sound way too obvious and easy, so you won't take it seriously. But I assure you that after you hear about these practices, you will never need to watch another video on this topic ever again. This is an actionable step, so follow along with the video. Go to the picture you have set as your wallpaper, click edit, and write the word mew in big bold letters, in a place where you can see it. That way, you will be reminded to mew every time you open your phone to check the time, or every time you switch between your instant gratification apps. Now every time you open your phone, you just have it there. This has single-handedly helped me make a habit out of mewing in only 2 weeks, and now I do it without even thinking about it. If you haven't edited your background yet, go and do it right now. And just in case this isn't enough for you, and you need to take more measures to remember to mew, I've prepared a couple of additional methods you could try on top of this one. The first one is stick paper reminding you to mew all around your house. You can place them on your doors, computer, desk, fridge, or on your walls. The second method consists of setting alarms. You can set up as many alarms as you want during the day, and you don't even have to make them specifically say mew if you're worried about what other people might think. You could simply write something that will remind you to mew. For the third method, you are going to associate mewing with certain triggers. What this means is whenever you do an action, you consciously think about mewing. For example, you can think about mewing every time you touch a door handle or you open a door. It has to be something that you do quite frequently for it to be effective though. After you do this for about a day, you will notice that every time you touch a door handle, you will be reminded to mew. There is also an app that can send you reminders throughout the day and that shows you the steps to mewing correctly. But if you follow the previous methods, and especially the one at the beginning of the video, you won't need it. To summarize, what you need to do after the video is write a reminder to mew on your phone background and use the following methods if you want to be sure of success. Use sticky notes, set alarms, and use triggers.